first thing you do after you take off your plastic covers is to pull up the ignition coil connectors. A screwdriver makes this a lot easier. Use a small ratchet to remove the two nuts that hold each coil in. Now we are able to remove the coils. Remember how this ground is mounted, as you will have to put it back on later. That's it. Now you can remove your spark plugs with the tools that come with the car in the trunk, or you can replace your new coils if that's all you needed.